Hello, Dustin Foust from Classic Restorations of Southern Indiana. We've used several products over the years, over our 27 years of business, and we really love the Wizards brand and the shine it gives. The Mist and Shine works great. To have a black vehicle and to be able to use a product out in the full sun in the middle of summer at a lot of these shows, and for it not to leave, streak or leave any kind of residue or anything that lets you know where it's been, it says a whole lot. We wouldn't use anything else at this point.